Imagine a world without the incessant buzz of mosquitoes, a world where the annoying bites and itchy welts are mere memories. But what if I told you that the disappearance of these tiny blood-sucking creatures could trigger a chain reaction, altering our planet in ways we never expected? Intriguing, isn't it? Before we delve deeper, let's first understand the role mosquitoes play in our ecosystem. They're much more than just pests. Mosquito larvae are a vital food source for many aquatic species, and adult mosquitoes are prolific pollinators of certain plants. So, what happens if they disappear? The ripple effect on the food web could be profound, affecting everything from bats and birds to beetles and moths. And it doesn't stop there. The global impact could be staggering, introducing new health challenges and disrupting the natural cycle of decomposition. Welcome to a journey into the unknown. This is the butterfly effect. What if all the mosquitoes disappeared? Before we dive into the hypothetical, let's understand the crucial role mosquitoes play in our ecosystem. Often viewed as mere pests, mosquitoes are in fact an integral part of the food web. It starts with mosquito larvae. These tiny wrigglers are a vital food source for a variety of aquatic animals, from fish to amphibians. Without these larvae, the ripple effect on these populations could be significant. Now let's not forget about the adult mosquitoes. They are not just about the buzz and bite. These tiny creatures are also prolific pollinators. Certain plants heavily rely on mosquitoes for their reproduction. They visit these plants, feeding on their nectar, and in the process, transfer pollen from male to female flowers, aiding in their fertilization. So, if mosquitoes were to disappear, the implications could be far-reaching. As these plants depend on mosquitoes for reproduction, their absence could disrupt ecosystems, affecting other species that rely on them for food and shelter. Now, let's consider the domino effect. Mosquitoes, tiny as they are, form a significant link in the food chain. Many creatures, including bats, birds, and various insects, rely on them as a primary food source. If mosquitoes were to vanish, these animals would face a scarcity of food. This could potentially lead to a significant decline in their populations. But the effects wouldn't stop there. With fewer bats and birds to keep their numbers in check, other insect populations could surge. Imagine beetles and moths multiplying unchecked, their increased numbers leading to more extensive crop damage. And let's not forget about spiders and other predators that feed on these insects. Their numbers too would be affected, creating further imbalances in the ecosystem. So, while the disappearance of mosquitoes might bring some immediate relief from their irritating bites and the diseases they carry, the longer-term consequences could be far more significant. The delicate balance of nature is at stake. Beyond local ecosystems, the global impact of a mosquito-less world could be staggering. Our primary association with mosquitoes is disease. They are infamous carriers of maladies such as malaria, Zika, and dengue fever, causing millions of deaths annually. The eradication of these diseases would undoubtedly be a monumental victory for public health. However, nature abhors a vacuum. The sudden absence of mosquitoes might leave room for other organisms to fill the void, potentially leading to the emergence of new, unforeseen health challenges. Furthermore, mosquitoes play an underappreciated role in the decomposition process. They and their larvae feed on decaying plant and animal matter, aiding in nutrient recycling. Their disappearance could disrupt this natural cycle, impacting the health of various ecosystems. So, while a world without mosquitoes might sound like a dream, it could quickly become a complex ecological nightmare. Moreover, the absence of mosquitoes could disrupt the natural cycle of decomposition, affecting nutrient cycling in various ecosystems. So, as we daydream about a world without mosquitoes, it's essential to recognize the intricate web of life they are woven into. These tiny beings, often perceived as pests, play pivotal roles in our ecosystem, from pollination to being a vital food source. Their absence could trigger a domino effect, disrupting ecosystems, and possibly leading to unforeseen health challenges globally. What other aspects of our world do you think would change if mosquitoes were to disappear? Until next time, this is The Buzzing Effect, signing off.